What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to, and today we have a 2016 Chevy Sonic LT, and I'm gonna show you how to take these car door speakers out. Client said he has some bad rear speakers, so we're gonna swap them boys out real quick. If this is your first time tuning in to the channel, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, because it's free, and that's how you can keep rocking with me every time I do a car. So today we're only doing the rear door panels. We're not doing the fronts because he only needs rear replaced. But if you know how to take one off, you know how to take all of them off. So what you first thing you want to do is come right here. There's a small little door. Take your small little pick tool and you will reveal one 7mm bolt right there. Next, you have this little door pocket right there. There's another 7mm behind it. So if I turn my light on, you will be able to see that there's a small little notch in that area that you can take your pick tool and pop that door off, and we have one more 7mm there. Those are literally the only two screws in the door, so let's get those out. You want to do, I come over here and put my hand right in this little part, little pressure, and literally all the clips just got done popping out. Now that's literally right behind. You just want to take, I'm gonna do this one hand, put my knee at the bottom for some pressure, and we're gonna lift this door up over the what you call it, what's that thing, the lock unlock little situation. It's gonna drop down, but it does go up like this. Now right here you only got one harness. Bow, pull that out. Now you have this little situation right here. Just want to pop that up. Once you pop that up, you can pull that boy back. Boom, pop up, pull that boy back. I say, there you go. All right, pull that back. And then that's gonna relieve that little metal ball right there. And then boom, we have that door panel off. Take your 7mm, take that boy off like that. Boom. Take, oh shoot. All right, now we're just gonna take our speaker harness out off that speaker, and there you have it. And I know there's gonna be one person who's gonna say, man, every door ain't the same, whoop whoop whoop, this down the third, you should have showed the front. Man, look, you still got that same little pocket right here for one 7mm. Still have the same little pocket right here in the back for the door that has one 7mm behind it. Now the only difference is that on the front you do have another door right here that has a 7mm right here in the back, and you also have this little triangle piece that needs to come off. Once this comes off, take that 7 out, take that 7 out, take that 7 out. Everything else is going to pop off just like the rear door. You're probably gonna have a harness that hooks up to this, and you'll have another harness that hooks up to that. But other than that, that door panel is gonna come off the exact same way. I'm not gonna take that off because I don't need to, but I'm gonna show you how to finish picking up these speakers. All right guys, so now we're going to assemble the speaker inside the bracket. We do have the Kicker KS series, and this is what it is going to look like. Now this thing is actually pretty simple. If you have a wider frame on your speaker, then you will cut these little tabs off. This one doesn't have that wide of a frame, so we don't have to worry about it. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take some 1 inch number 8 screws, and I'm gonna finger tighten those in the little holes right here before I drill them in. And that's what I meant by finger tighten. Just kind of twist those in there like this. I gotta do all this stuff with one hand, so I'm just trying to show y'all as much as possible. All right, so I literally took my drill, drilled those down, screwed them down, whatever you want to call it. Y'all know. Now it's time to get back inside the car. All right, y'all, if you've been rocking with me for a minute, you know what I'm about to talk about: speaker harnesses. These things right here are they make your install life easier. We literally took that harness out of the old speaker, hooked this up, and now we're hooked up to our new speaker. You don't have to worry about what's positive and what's negative. They have black for positive, white for negative, and they have the small gauge terminal for the negative and the larger gauge terminal for the positive. Literally double snap that in. Now This one is gonna confuse you a little bit because this is actually a 705600. It's the one that they use for Fords, and this is a Chevy. And I want you guys to notice that on the old speaker there was like a little spring clip. There is no spring clip here. We're just gonna put it down, put that back. We're gonna grab the 7mm that came out, screw that back in. Now at the bottom we're going to have two holes. There's a hole right here and there is a hole right there. Those are for you to screw additional screws in, just in case this is a little wobbly. As you can see, it is a little wobbly, so I'm going to take some self-tapping screws and put one in each hole to kind of make it more secure. All right, so now we are secure. All right, man, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys found any type of value, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are also in the description, and the Patreon link, if you want to be a furthermore supporter, is in the description. If you don't want to be held down to anything permanent, there is that heart down there in the corner that will says thanks. And I'm not asking anybody to do anything they don't want to do, but I am appreciative of everything that somebody does do. And if you don't want to do any of those, please at least hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and watch another video. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all have a blessed day.